Well, good morning, dear students. Ninth group, Jesse's English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. Ninth standard students, be serious about your English learning and your lesson plan. Today, I'm going to start Unit 2, Prose. Follow the board. I have already marked it for you all. Ninth group standard, get ready with your textbook along with your English notebook. A pencil should be, a simple pencil should be in your hand whenever you are going to start the lesson or going to keep on reading any lesson or anything else. So get ready with the pencil and textbook along with your all attachment. Previous attachment, I hope so, that ninth standard, you had gone through it, make the notes properly. Come to me for your homework checking purpose. And if any doubt, clear it too. So, ninth standard, Unit 2, Prose. 3 questions by Kant Leo Tolstoy. So, your pronunciation will be 3 questions. Written and composed by Kant. Leo Tolstoy. Kant Leo Tolstoy. 3 questions. So here, explanation I will do. Explanation of the whole story, whole lesson obviously. Glossary, let us go through the word meanings. That is our reading, comprehension, task, activities. Page 36. Ninth group, get ready. Open your textbook, 36 page number. 36 page number you see. Messenger, a person carrying a message. Council, group of people chosen to advise. Hermit, a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Woods, a small forest. Affairs, things, matters, business. Then this one, beds, B-E-D-S, small patches of ground for plants in a decorative way. Spade, tool for digging the soil or mud. Now, fainted, lost consciousness, senseless. Seized, took by force, faithful, loyal, and true. Fatally, seriously. Now let's come to the point. Here, page 42. Dear students, ninth group, get ready with page number 42. About the author Kant Leo Tolstoy, 1828 to 1910. Kant Leo Tolstoy, who is he actually? He is actually the great Russian novelist and moral philosopher, ranks as one of the world's greatest writers. His War and Peace has been hailed as the greatest novel ever written. His ability to weave the stories, weave means, you had seen, no, you're here in state Karnataka, you will see lovely flowers. Some of the mothers, they are housewife, I had seen very nicely, they weave with the needle or with the finger also in this way designed. The garland, different flowers, bright colored, etc. So here he weaves the stories in a designed pattern. His War and Peace has been hailed as the greatest novel. His ability to weave the stories, his wonderful characters, and his narrative means in which way the story will start. You will think, no, I will read, then I will go for snacks. I will read, then I will sit for dinner in this way. Let me complete the story. That is the style of the author who composed the stories in that resigned way. 3 questions, lovely characters, you will get it. Wonderful story, so you will love it very much. So, 9th group standard, see, wonderful characters, narrative capabilities are appreciated in every part of the world even to this day. That's right. Kant, Leo Tolstoy is very famous all over the world in English literature. Well, student, 3 questions. Kant, Leo Tolstoy, page 31. All of you open your textbook, 9th group, page 31. A king has 3 questions and he is seeking answers to them. What are these questions? What are the questions? Does the king get what he wants? Let's read to find out. The story will tell us what happened. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. Number 1, what is the right time to begin something? Number 2, who should a king listen to? Number 3, what is the most important thing for a king to do? The king therefore sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum to anyone, means money to anyone, who would answer these 3 questions. Many wise, clever, intellectual, brilliant, many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. How? The king should do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. Council of wise men, a group of members, wise, clever, intellectual members, the king want to take any decision about the right time and all about these 3 questions. But after that what happened? Then others say that there were some things which could be urgent. No, something very urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary, needful, it is necessary, important to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. So in this way, king was totally confused and he did not accept any questions. He did not like this type of questions and answers. His questions, 3 questions. Number 1, what is the right time to begin something? Who should a king listen to? What is the most important thing for a king to do? So he wants the concrete, to the point, perfect answer. That one he has not got. So the next video lesson, our next lesson plan, we will continue the story. Today's attachment paper I will give you. Please keep on reading, make the notes properly, and sure shot, do the homework in your notebook with blue and black color. Make all the notes clear, make it properly, do it properly. Perfect notebooks I want to see whenever you are coming to meet me. Textbook, continuously mark the important lines, quotes, and keep on reading. Study perfectly. Even all the previous attachments and everything, please carry out. Don't neglect any point. Time to time recapitulation will be there. So 9th standard, God bless you. Thank you.